Hello, this is Patrick Findaro. Just wanted to give an update to our clients about different financing mechanisms that the government has put in place and is exploring to keep your businesses ongoing and or to recover quickly from this crisis. There's a lot of things that are in the talks right now. For example, there was a memo that the Treasury Department talked about having $300 billion worth of loans available for what they say as business interruption loans. To put that in the perspective, the Small Business Administration issued $28 billion worth of loans through banks last year, and $2 billion through their loan disaster program. So there's a lot of things in the talks, including a Main Street lending program that the Federal Reserve hasn't really given too much details about. But what has already been approved is $7 billion of loans for businesses that have been affected by the coronavirus. And that's through the Small Business Administration, the SBA. So that program is already up. Eligible businesses can apply for loans of up to $2 million. And depending on the financial stability of the business and background of the owners, the terms can be up to 30 years. And the good thing about this program is the interest rates are currently capped at 3.75% for-profit small businesses. So that's the biggest program that the federal government currently has available for small businesses. That being said, there are many states that have loans and to a lesser extent grant mechanisms to help small businesses. Florida being a very on the forefront of it with the Small Business Emergency Bridge Loan Program that gives bridge loans of up to $50,000 for eligible small businesses. So small businesses with anywhere from 2 to 100 employees and an established presence in Florida, and that they were established before March 8th of 2020 this year. So definitely a program to look into for those business owners, franchise owners that have businesses currently established in Florida. And it's 0% interest up to 12 months. The unpaid balance then jacks up and the interest rate goes up to 12%. So it's a good short-term fix for businesses that have run into capital needs and maybe have already explored some traditional bank financing where you could expect 7-8% plus for a similar type loan up to $50,000. There are other municipalities that have offered grants, like New York City. Los Angeles also has a microloan program, loans of $5,000 to $20,000 for eligible businesses. Depending on the type of business, it can be anywhere from 0% to 5% interest rates. And there's other state and municipality programs. And there's some grants that are offered, such as through New York City and with big companies like Amazon and Facebook. Right now, the Facebook program, it just depends on your financing needs and time. But we looked at it for a few of our clients, and it was going to be basically expected to have a grant up to $3,000 with a lot of work to go into the application. And then we don't know what the chances of being eligible, being granted those $3,000. We'll keep you posted. We're hearing about different programs the government is implementing on a federal, state, and municipality level, as well as some big companies are offering their businesses. Like, so if you're a vendor of Amazon or if you use Facebook for marketing purposes, we'll keep you updated on these programs, and especially the most attractive programs as they become available. Thanks again, and stay safe, and we wish you the best of luck right now during these hard times.